21st century learning, generally used to refer to certain core competencies such as collaboration, digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem solving that advocates believe schools need to teach to help students thrive in today's world. By Sir John Dewey. You learn more, better by doing. Let the kid learn on his own. Let him find out things on his own. Let him play. 5 E's of instructional model: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. We engage students in activities to fulfill their curiosity in many things. Hands-on activities are very important in the 21st century teaching. Temperature. Working with magnets and magnesium ribbon. Students working with triple beam balance, current, and iron stand. Putting those muscle movements into action by dancing is another way to learn them. Did you know that you can grow your own paramecium just by using hay and pond water? Don't forget the precautionary measures. We don't want them getting into your system. We don't confine students in the four corners of the classroom at all times. We let them explore their surroundings and look for moss in different areas. Then examine the moss specimens under the biological microscope. A glimpse of the biological microscope? You don't need to search for the sunlight with this microscope. You only need power source, plug it in, and switch on. The light source is within the biological microscope. Students should not be confined in science lab only. They can also explore in the kitchen and produce their own product that will be presented and tasted. Let the students assemble or put the internal organs back into its correct places. Let them think so that critical thinking can be practiced. In the 21st century learning and teaching, learners are the center of learning. We are here to guide you all throughout. Thank you for listening.